got this shirt on. We have like a lot of people and welcome. And my doggy Mama is just had it and what to do and what to do and what to like to talk about my breakfast and Mama did her to from in my breakfast I think so. When I had to school work, I did my makeup, but my I found this. But I think it's over there. I got this blue top and I got this long leggings. So yeah, but I'll be where I'm ready. My mum take them out with she and focus. She just got a little when she ever then she's and focusing on it's so great. I love it so much. I'm in the last one my dear too. I wash my hands and then I have one pajama. I'm wearing this white and then cute shorts and telling